friends, welcome to Trade and Success. So every trader looking for market direction nowadays, because market direction is very important for trend analysis and profit making. So whether we are taking our positions in correct direction or not, that is the main important thing nowadays. So for that purpose, how to identify stocks index move. So if we find out correct direction of the stock market, then we will find out what is the correct way, then we will be in profit in future. So actually market won't move alone, so there is some big investors, then whenever they enter only, it will gives us the money. If we are also in the same position, then only we will make the money in stock market. So who is big investors in stock markets? Generally HNI, huge net worth investors, FIS, foreign institutional investors, and domestic institutional investors like mutual fund and like big HNI clients. So how to get those big investors details? So they don't reveal. So what is the websites? Is there any websites? And how to get those details where the mutual funds are investing? Because mutual funds are very big players in stock market. So if we find out the mutual fund details, so then if we follow those strategies like that based on technical and this mutual fund following, so then if we copy that strategy like where they are investing, like that if we invest the same thing, then we will get good profits in individual stocks or index also. So what will happen? Generally it will happen because of the trend identification. If we get properly, then we will get good stocks and good direction. That is main important for making money. So big investors are following big investors, yeah, useful. Yes, always it is useful, because without their investment starting in markets, it won't go up. If they withdraw, it will automatically fall into market. So that is why we have to follow big investors. That is always big investors. Investment in stock market is always useful. So is there any back tested? Yes, we have back tested, like what is every year some back tested reports are giving. So like this, we have back tested reports, we have good back tested positional. These are all position, not intraday. So if you are interested for positional strategy for stocks, index, and all those things, so if you are interested for those strategy, please let me know. So I will give you the this strategy along with the information. So please contact me for more details to my WhatsApp or call me. Thank you very much.